Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to export on Windows 10. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Microsoft OneNote, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Exporting a notebook, section, or page from OneNote on Windows 10 is a straightforward process that can vary depending on what you want to save. For example, you have already logged in to the web app for OneNote and you wanted to export the specific notebook. You see, all I got to do is right click on the specific notebook that I wanted to print or export, Click the export notebook. What will happen is there's going to be a pop-up window wherein it will export to download your notebook content. If your notebook is large, this could take a while. For you, as you can see, it's like 6.1 MB. It's not going to take a longer. And click the export button. All right, and then save it to your computer. Now, another option is open the notebook in a new window or in a new tab. Now, I want you to go to the file section. There isn't like a direct export button here if you click the file. Instead, I'm going to click the print button. Click print this page. And from here, you see there is an option for the destination. If you do that, there is an option for you to save as PDF. All right. That is exactly as exporting the file into PDF. If you click the see more, you have so many options here. You can save as PDF, send to OneNote 2010 or OneNote for Windows 10, OneNote to desktop, and you have all these. Now, if you plan to export it as a PDF to print, if you click that, you would be forwarded to this section. All right. You have now the option to export it as a printed material. All pages, odd pages only, or even pages. You have the orientation as landscape, portrait, color, or black and white. Right, so you have all these. Click the paper size, pages per sheet, and all of these options. So that's the only way for you to be able to export a specific file here on Microsoft OneNote. Now, the last option for you to export is not directly exporting, but it's kind of like going to the share button and you can share with people, especially if you're working with your client or multiple team members. Because in this section, if you send the link to them, they would be able to open that and of course they can save them on a different format that they wanted. So it's indirectly exporting it to your colleagues or to your client. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.